Here are 3 reasons why your toilet doesn't flush well. The first reason is your jetter hole is plugged. The jetter hole starts the flush cycle. It's located opposite to where everything leaves the toilet. Now it can get plugged with things like calcium from urine, unfortunately, especially if you let things sit and don't flush your toilet. It's going to get calcium buildup in it, and then it won't flush because won't start the flush cycle. Next is you don't have enough water in your tank. Your fill valve is set too low and there's not enough water going down to start the flush cycle, to do a full flush. So make sure that's set appropriately, about 3/8 below the over there. Next is these holes help fill the bowl after you flush. They can become plugged as well. Now, the last is if you bought a cheap toilet. Unfortunately, these cheap toilets, they never seem to flush that well. So if you did buy a cheap toilet, that's likely why your toilet is not flushing good. Check out our other videos.